Hello everyone. Fiza is making this scrumptious beef lava burger today, which would be a perfect recipe for your Boxing Day Eve dinner party. Fiza, please show us how you did it.
Hi, first of all I will tell you the ingredients. We need minced meat, it's beef, half a pound, red chili flakes, it's 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, basil leaves, half teaspoon, garlic powder, quarter teaspoon, black pepper, it's half teaspoon, 2 slices of cheese. For the filling, I need 1 small onion and half a cup of mushrooms. Mix the ingredients. I will take the minced meat. I will add the spices. Now I will mix it like this. Now I will fold the cheese slices like this. I will make it like this. Now I will take the meat like this. Put the cheese in the center and cover it like this. I will make the patty like this and I will put it in the electric grill. You can grill it on charcoal, but I am doing in the electric. I cover it and it will take almost 5 to 10. Now I will add some oil.
The pan is preheated, right?
Yes. Add the onions, mushrooms, lightly season it with salt and pepper, and add a very little, half a teaspoon soy sauce. I will stir fry it on high heat. Now the vegetables are ready. Just take them out. I will turn the side.
After around 5 minutes, right?
Yeah, 4-5 minutes. Now I will take off the lid. After approximately 5 more minutes, the patty is ready. I will grill my bun a little bit. Now I will take out the bun. Put the patty on top of it. Now I will add these stir-fry vegetables in it. Now the burger is ready.
Wow. That's a beautiful presentation. Thank you.